All right, so I took a little time. I have two different kits of interchangeable router heads. I'm not sure how great they are. They've always worked for me though. And this is a set I've had for a long time. And you see, depending on the head that you pick, you can do a number of different styles on the wood. And depending on how deep you use them and what size, I'm not sure what these things are called, little roller balls. This is a guide that will run along the side of the wood, keeping the router bit either this far, or I have one that's a little larger right here, and it'll keep it a little further away from the wood to give me a different detail. So you can look at the different bits that you have. What I would suggest you do is take one, get a pen. Let me get a pen. Oh, I'm allergic to sawdust. So then try to figure out how you want to place this on the board to get the kind of reveal that you want, right? So we take it down here. You see what that'll do. Come down like 1/8 of an inch right off of the top, and then it'll bow out a little bit, and then down at the bottom you'll have a little straight angle piece. Okay, so that's and I could go all the way to the top, right, and just round it off if I wanted to use this for that. So a couple different ways you can use this one bit. So I picked one that's very similar to this, but it's a little bit larger. The dimensions are a bit bigger. Okay, so my router is gonna lay right down on the wood. It's unplugged right now. These are very dangerous tools. You gotta be very respectful of these tools. They spin at really high RPMs. So whenever you're working on the bit, you need to make sure it's unplugged. And oh, these shadows are killing me. So I think you can see the profile there. But let me, I got a straight edge on the board here. This wood's cheap. It was like $4 a board. And I just tried to find them with as few knots on the end out here, because those are hard to route. Okay, so I mean, ideally you'd buy a more expensive piece with no knots at all. I'm gonna do the best I can with these. I got that knot over there and this one over here. Maybe I'll use that other edge, right? I only have one down there that I have to worry about. I'm gonna turn this board around and use that edge, and let's see how it turns out.